Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can build a wall and a roof in Bloxburg. So go to build, go to the wall section and just build according to your liking. And then you can also add in a floor here, so just click on it with your left click and right click. Then to build the roof, select roof. Select whichever one you want. You can automatically place it, but I think it's easier to use the flat roof on like slanted walls here. You can either click and right click, looks like a block of cheese, or you can manually place it. Same goes with the floor. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.